What up, everybody? It's yours truly, Mr. Lang. We're out here, a one-day job, getting some gutters cleaned on some big 3-story apartment complexes. There's 6 really big buildings, and this is why I think people who claim they quote $3 a gutter per 3-story are they're full of shit. I'll just say it. They're full of shit. We got a 32-foot ladder. It's not even fully extended. I think we could go one more rung. But we got that, the whole other side, and all the way down. That other roof right there is actually another building. And we got 6 of these. We did that and this, and there's that times 6. So this, there's one there. There's quite a few. It's a big place. But this one spot took us an hour. You know what I mean? If I was to charge per foot, oh my, this would be $1,000 building easily. This is already building number 4, and we have 2 more left. It's 12 o'clock right now. We're the fastest gutter cleaners around. Fastest gutter cleaners on YouTube. Guarantee it. The size of these buildings. Some people walked out. I don't want to get them on camera. But they're big buildings, you know. Here, let me walk back here. Oh, he's tangled. I gotta save the day. It's clear. Here's where you can get a good idea of the size of the building. So it goes to that corner. There's gutters all the way. Except for where the buildings connect here, so there's like a little bit of a peak, but the roofs connect. See that? So there's no gutters on the side peak. There it goes. Here into that corner there. So they're very large, but the roofs are literally flat. I mean, not literally, like the slightest grade ever. And yeah, we just got 4 of them done in 2 hours, so that goes to show you there's no way you can charge $3 a foot just because it's a 3-story. Because you gotta realize these gutters are damn near clear. There's a couple spots where there's trees where it's a little bit clogged. But what does that take? 5 minutes to take the clog out? The rest is just rinsing it out. There's some companies that don't even do this. This is like a premium service, what we're doing. We rinse the whole line out, flush the downspout, wait till we see water come out the bottom, on to the next. 60-day clog-free guarantee. Before and after photos available if needed. We started this at 12 o'clock, had the ladder on there, pulled the hoses out. We started this at 12 o'clock between 3 guys, and this one's almost done. Once he rinses from here to here, he'll be done, and it's 12:13 right now. That's why we love gutter cleaning. Love it. So we have 2 big tanks full of water that we had to get filled up last night. full. Reason why is this house here has no spigot. No one living in it. Some property manager type guy is sprucing it up, getting it ready for the market or whatever the hell they do, you know. So I actually have my guys out here to clean this because the guy told me it was a certain size and it definitely was not. Maybe without this big addition, but definitely did not have enough water and it's very dirty. So, and as you touch the zone, we're on the opposite way, facing the opposite way on a one-way street. Yeah, this is a one-way, facing the opposite way. We got some cones, both vehicles got their hazards on. We're making it happen. Devin's getting the chem ready. We got a nice little overcast, it's not too sunny. So I'm just gonna apply that chem on there straight, get it cleaned up, rinse, ready to go. So we got the sludge sucker so we can transfer the water to our water tank that's already plumbed to the power washer. So the sludge sucker, it's about $100 for that piece of equipment, and it suctions the water at 11 times the rate of your machine. So our machine is 8 gallons a minute, so it should be able to pull at least 88 gallons a minute. So when we start running low, we'll transfer water to our plumb tank, and with 3 tanks, all 3 full, we should be good. We should be able to get it done, right, Colt?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna get her done. We need applying chem. The other guy has a batch of oxalic acid mixed up because there's gonna be certain spots that need to get brightened up, touched up. But at the end of the day, they're painting this white stuff, so we just need to clean it up, get it ready for them. 88 gallons a minute. Run it. 7. Colt in there, running it straight into the tank. Look at his hair. His hair tie broke. Sucking it down. Told you it's a lot. 88 gallons a minute at least. And we're using this to transfer our water, get out of the water. Let's be back at the. I got like this whole house done though. I just gotta rinse the back, basically just the left side actually. The left side needs to get rinsed. We're done. I did out of 1 tank of water. I'm a ninja with the house washing. These guys came out and tried to do it and only got the front done on half a tank, and then they realized they needed more water, so they packed up. Amateurs.